Hello everyone, welcome to another Python tutorial. In this video, I will be exploring some basic calculations in Python that every beginner should know. So let's start with the part 1 of this tutorial in which we will calculate the area of a rectangle. So to calculate the area of a rectangle, we will need its width and height. We can take an input of width and for the height we will take the height of the rectangle. So area is width cross height and the area. So enter the width, enter the height, and there is some error. And what is this error? So cannot multiply sequence by non-integers of type string. So this is taking an input of string, so we can take an input of integers. So we have the area of rectangle, that is 400. So by default input was taking as a string, so we have defined the input as an integer variable. We can define the input as a float variable also. So this is how it works. Let's move to the second part, and in this part we will convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So we will take an input of conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We will take an input temperature in Celsius. For example, it's 34 Celsius, and now to convert the Celsius temperature into Fahrenheit, we have a formula that is divided by 5 plus 32. So in this way we can calculate the temperature in Fahrenheit. We have already given the input in Celsius. In the third part, we will calculate the area of a circle. So let's start. So to calculate the area of a circle, we have the formula pi r square. It is pi r square. So we need an input of radius. So let's take an input of radius as an integer value. So what we need is to add the value of pi in this formula, but to add the value of pi we need to import a library, that is math. So we first need to import the library of math, then we can include this pi in this formula. It's math.pi and the square of radius. To make the power of radius, we will add double steric and then power of the radius, and finally print area of circle. Let's enter a value of 5 for the radius, and we got the area of circle 78.53. And there you have it, 3 basic calculations in Python: calculating the area of rectangle, converting Celsius to Fahrenheit, and finding the area of a circle. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos on Python.